Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to guide you through a very healthy snack recipe. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. So the physical practice of yoga we do on the mat is just one aspect of yoga. Yoga philosophy also relates to eating healthy, how kind we are to ourselves, and how kind we are to others. So this is a recipe I recommend as a certified health coach whenever my clients ask, what is a healthy snack that I can have in between meals when I'm really busy at work, hiking on a trail, or when I'm watching a movie? And this is the healthy trail mix recipe I recommend. So the ingredients are pumpkin seeds, walnuts, almonds, coconut flakes, organic, dried blueberries, no added sugar, organic dark chocolate, 75% cacao. So the reason I recommend you make your own trail mix is because the trail mix you often buy in stores is usually loaded with added sugars and added salt that actually make it pretty unhealthy. But if you buy these ingredients raw and organic without any added sugar or salt, that's what makes this healthy. And as I make my trail mix today, I will explain the health benefits of each of these ingredients. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of protein and fiber. Pumpkin seeds help fight viral illnesses and are shown to help slow down certain cancer cells. In addition to supporting healthy blood pressure levels, pumpkin seeds can also promote quality sleep and support healthy blood sugar levels. Pumpkin seeds can reduce levels of LDL cholesterol. 100 grams of seeds provide 30 grams of protein. Pumpkin seeds are very high in zinc, which support your immune system, and filled with minerals. Walnuts are a great source of B vitamins, vitamin E, and many different minerals, as well as fiber. Walnuts are known to help support brain health, prevent cancer, heart health, weight management, healthy skin. Walnuts stimulate the production of melatonin for sound sleep. Walnuts are bestowed with antioxidants, vitamin E, and uplift skin health and reduce the signs of aging. Almonds can protect you from heart disease, help digestion, moisturize skin, eliminate cravings, reduce hair fall, and fight disease and inflammation. Dried blueberries are a superfood, high in folate, vitamin K, which helps blood to clot, vitamin C for immune health, and many antioxidants to support brain and heart health. Shredded coconut is a healthy fat, high in fiber, high in omegas, with antioxidants that protect against heart disease, boost the metabolism, and support weight loss. Coconut is a thermogenic food, meaning it boosts the metabolism, high in medium chain triglycerides. Organic dark chocolate has many antioxidants which can slow the signs of aging, lower your blood pressure, control your blood sugar, reduce the risk of diabetes. Organic dark chocolate also contains antidepressant agents, prevents heart disease, improves your mood, and reduces stress. And voila! I grabbed about a handful of each ingredient, so this is a very balanced, healthy snack that you can have during your day in between meals. I love to have this snack when I'm hiking or when I'm watching movies. So if you try this at home, let me know how you like it. If you want my brand recommendations, check out the description in this video. And if you enjoy my content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this recipe with anyone you think needs it. Stay healthy out there, friends. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.